Alright guys, so the next step, right after I got my email that my account has been approved and verified after sending in my driver's license, the front and the back. What you want to do next is you want to go to settings right here, and you want to authenticate this. I can't do my number, but what you're going to do is you're going to click this on, you're going to put enable it, and then you're going to download this authenticator app, and it'll send you a passcode, okay? And then you're going to go to accounts, you're going to get your account. So you're going to do MT4ECN account, USD, I say do 500, and you're going to create that account, okay? And successfully created, okay? And then in order to deposit, you're going to go to deposits, and as you can see, I put $250 after all the fees. I ended up depositing $246.68. See, right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Cash App, okay, and make sure you link your bank or your card to your Cash App so they can take the money out. But you're going to click on the Bitcoin sign on the Cash App. You're going to buy Bitcoin, buy however much you're going to buy, and then after you buy Bitcoin, you're going to send it to the address. So say you make a deposit. So let's see. So you're going to put in Bitcoin, you're going to put USD, and then you're going to put 250, and it'll take you to the payment page. You're going to get that address, and you're going to send your Bitcoin to the address that they give you, okay? And that's how you deposit into your broker account. So that way you're able to start trading.